simplify 2 over the cube root of 4. This is similar to the previous problems in that we have a radical in the denominator that we need to get rid of. But because we have a cube root in the denominator, our goal is going to be to end up with a perfect cube in the denominator underneath the radical. So we're going to need to multiply the top and bottom by the same quantity. It's going to be a cube root instead of a square root so that it matches what we already have. And our goal is going to be to end up with a perfect cube in the denominator. Now the perfect cubes, just a reminder, 1 cubed is 1, 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27, 4 cubed is 64, 5 cubed is 125. Usually that's enough, but 6 cubed is 216, 7 cubed is 343, 8 cubed is 512, 9 cubed is 729, and 10 cubed is 1,000. So if you're going to memorize any of these, I would say usually the first 5 are enough. These are the perfect cubes that come up most often, but being able to recognize the bottom ones is probably also helpful in case there are any harder problems. Now, we want to end up with a perfect cube in the bottom, and we're starting with 4. So we need a perfect cube that's a multiple of 4, and the smallest one here is 8. So we want to end up with 8 under the radical in the denominator, and we know that we can do that by multiplying 4 times 2. So in this case, we're going to multiply the top and bottom by the cube root of 2. In the denominator, the cube root of 4 times the cube root of 2 gives us the cube root of 8. And here I'm just going to point out that 8 is a perfect cube, which we need because we're taking a cube root. And in fact, I'm going to do that now. The cube root of 8 is 2. So we needed a perfect cube down there so that we could take the cube root and get rid of that radical. In the numerator, 2 times the cube root of 2 is just that, 2 cube root of 2. So we've got 2 times the cube root of 2 in the top. But we notice that there are 2's in the top and bottom that are outside the radical. So we can reduce those by a factor of 2. That leaves us with 1. And taking the cube root of 2 and multiplying it by 1 and dividing it by 1 still gives us the cube root of 2. So our final answer here is the cube root of 2.